Hey, what's going on, you all? Stephen Byrd. I'm the creator of Just Go Live, the new PPS system, pay per search. It's a search engine that allows for businesses when people search, like Google is powered by Google, the JustGoLive.net system powered by Google. When people search, now they will see your deal. All right, with Google and Yep and those, when they search, they don't see a deal. But here's the deal. Here's why I'm talking to you all today. All right, the system is done. It's in place and it works incredible. The PPC system don't bring you customers. You might spend, hundreds and thousands of dollars maybe and get a small percentage of customers based on that. But the PPS system, pay per search system, was created because 79% of the people, when they search for something, chances are they're going to use that business. 79% they're going to use that business within 24 hours. Most times within an hour or two, they're going to be in that business. So what I wanted to do was make sure that we had a system created that was catered to bringing customers to the business, opposed to having them out there on a PPC system, which is like AdWords that Google owns. AdWords PPC system, when someone sees an ad, they might be intrigued by it, or whatever the case may be. You've seen all these ads that's on YouTube and places like that that's aggravating as hell. Look, I'm with Google, but they got to step the game up, and we want to integrate our system into their system one day. But right now, we need to scale our system and make it and get it to where we want it, where I'm very, very happy with it, basically. So the PPC system is when people click on an ad because they're intrigued by it or see it or whatever. They're not ready to buy. They just see something that catches their attention. The PPS system, which is the only other system that I created, and that is patent pending, trademark, copywritten, everything, is a system that when people search, when they're ready to eat, they're searching. The difference is when they search, they will see your business as a recommended business. We spotlight your business along with the businesses that they might be looking for, but we put you on the same level playing field to where they see your business and your deal. They see your deal. You can change those deals out instantaneously. I set them up like it's a text message, like a tweet, where you could change the deal at any moment, any second, and it works incredibly. So with that being said, the PPC system is a $116 billion system a year. The PPS system just started. And again, I say again, I am now building it to where I'm going to scale the business to where I'm totally happy with it. Then I'm going to move to integrating it into other systems. And we'll integrate right now, and we're available for integration, custom integrations. But it's an awesome system, and it's a different system. It's a addition to the PPC system. So what I would suggest is that people go to JustGoLive.net and powered by Google, JustGoLive.net, and put your ads on there. All the businesses that are on Google are on this system, JustGoLive.net. So I think it's something like 100 million businesses in our system already. Now, with that being said, here's the last thing I'm gonna say to people. When Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Google, all of these companies was built, you didn't know about them. They was at this stage that I'm in right now, to where they have to, what you call, put the gasoline in the car. The car's been built. Now you got to put the gasoline, fire it up, and take it out on the street and get it running and see how she run. Take it through some trial tests and make sure everything is working properly. And anything is broken, you fix it. And you cater to your customer base. And that's what we're doing right now. But in the mix of this is that when those companies was built and you didn't know about them yet, they brought in a few people that help with, marketing or bringing in users. There's a user as a user platform. Mine is a platform that's already generating income because it's a pay per search system. Now, with that being said, what I say to anyone out there, all companies, I'm talking about marketers, advertisers, people who got multiple businesses, people who's bringing have users, customers who searches for businesses. Listen, come and talk to me immediately. And what I want to add to this is that those people in those companies became multi-millionaires and some even billionaires. Why? Is because they got in at an early stage. Early stage means that right now. That means that this is the only time you get an opportunity to work with me directly this close and become somebody in some type of technology like what I've just built. So I'm looking for people, I'm looking for marketers. And I'm telling you here and now, if you have over 10,000, if you have 10,000 plus businesses in your system, you come and talk to me and I'll make you where you are making $1 million, upwards of $1 million a year. If you have 1,000 businesses, I'll make sure that you're getting a salary that you are getting paid enough money to where you won't believe it. Now, this option won't be around forever, simply because right now I'm doing it only for one reason, and that's because we're building the system right now. We're building it. It's time to put the gas in the system. So I'm opening it up for those who you hear people all the time say, "Hey man, I would love to get attached to something right now, get attached to something and bring me, the income that I'm looking for." Well, I'm not all that interested in the income and all this stuff, but what I am interested in is people who's going to be able to work directly with me, people who can who get stuff done, don't make excuses, make it happen. And I can put you in a place where you've never probably been, and if you have been, then I can it'd be a great addition to it. So, for those marketers, those advertisers, those influencers, those people who I'm looking for right now, who can work directly with me and build and help me put the gas in this system to where we can take it out and test drive and make sure everything is working properly. And this is where we're at. This is the stage where we're at, all right? And I'll just go over the quick stages. The first stage is that you come up with the idea, all right? This is how it works. You come up with the idea to make sure that it's even possible that you can build it, and you have the elements and all the elements that use to build it. Then you put together all your developers and people like this and your company, your team, and you begin to build it. And building it, it might take you a few years to build it simply because it's so intricate. And you go through all different stages, but it's built. Then you go to the stage of after it's built. Then you test it. And when you're testing it, you find little things technically that might be going wrong, and you fix those, okay? Or it goes wrong and you fix it, and you fix it, and you fix it until it's operable. Then you move to the stage of going out and you test it on the market, meaning that what I've done is I've went and did some advertisements to people and seeing if the market wants it. The market has shown that they want it badly. They want this system based on our testing. Now we're in the stage where we take it out and we put the gas in it, as I say, and I try to use that as an example. Put the gas in it, take it out on the street, and bring it in as a bigger unit. Add quite a few companies, quite a few people to make sure that we kick the tires and make sure everything is okay at that point. The last stage is that we make it a household name. And that's what we'll do after this stage of adding a certain amount of businesses to make sure businesses as well as customers who uses it to search every single day. And then we'll take it, we'll test it, make sure everything is working properly at that stage. This is called scaling the business. The next stage after that will be to make it a household name. At that point, I expect to be able to take this system and integrate it into systems like Google, Facebook, Twitter, all of them. So therefore, you still have the PPC system, but you also have the PPS system as well. So this is how it works, and this is where we're at. We're in the last 2 stages of taking this thing to making it a household name. So if you want to work, if you're a hard worker, you got if you can bring something to the table that I need, and right now what I need, and make it as simple as possible, what I need is businesses and users. Businesses and users to go out and test it at a bigger stage. So if you have those people, I'll make it worth your while to where I guarantee you'll look back and say, wow, I am glad. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Okay. All right. So what you all can do is you can give me a call call me directly. I am the owner, the creator. So you can call me directly, 240-393-8929. All right. Now, pay no attention to how I look, man. I mean, I don't sleep. We work 18, 19 hours a day. I'm dealing with my developers from 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock in the morning, and then I get up and go out and do other work for with the system to make sure that we're getting things in place and more business centered. And then we start it all over again. We never shut down. So if you want to be a part of a great team and you want the rewards for it all around, then give me a call. You all take care. This is a serious offer. I just went over it with you, where we're at, what stage we're at. It's the only system in the world outside of the PPC system, and right now it's at that level to where it's ready to take off. But I got to scale it to make sure it's ready to go to the next level. Y'all take care. Give me a call. Bye-bye.